1.414 equals 707 guys. Hello guys, how are you? And assalamualaikum and good evening to all of you. Now we have tackled this one. What is 1.414? Usually in the field of piping construction, many foremen or supervisor using this one for identify the takeoff of 45 degree using this one constant 1.414. And my question is, where did you get this one 1.414? I asked maybe foreman and supervisor, he didn't know where exactly came from this one 1.414. But now I will show it to you where is came from this one 1.414. I will cite an example guys. Now as you can see the example that I made guys, for in order to get 1.414. okay, this is the 5 and this is the 5. okay, we need to make a 5 here in order to connect this one. It's mean to say this is a 45 the 90, and I create a triangle in order to we will easily get. Okay guys, let's say an example from the from the Pythagorean theorem. Did you remember this guys, Pythagorean theorem? Okay, in college days. Okay, it's at C2 equals A2 plus B2. Okay, we can get this one. Okay, C2, this one A. Okay, A stands for 1. Okay, because you know in the college or high school, letters means to present as 1. okay, 1 squared. Okay, plus B. I represent again. Okay, I will add this one in order to make easier. A squared plus B squared. Okay, C squared. A is represent to 1 because nothing value here. Okay, N plus B represent 1. okay, C squared. 1 times 1 is 1, also 1, plus 1 times 1 is 1, right? And then they have a square here, that's why I will transpose. I will put here that 1 plus 1 is 2. C equals, now we will calculate. Okay, as you can see, the calculator is square root of 2. That one, 1.414. Okay, this is very clear guys. 1.414. 1.414. Okay, now guys, you know where we arrive the constant of 1.414 now guys. It's very clear for I discussed 1.414, 1.414. This one came from this one, they derive from this one. Okay, this is easily, you know, we can get here again. I will put here value. Okay, if I say here, okay, I will okay guys, I will put value here is let's say 500. Okay guys, 500. This one, okay, this one, because I know the theory here, because this one is a 45, I only have a 500 here. I already conclude this one is a 500. Okay, and now I will find the travel. It's simply like this one guys. 500 times using this one 1.414 equals, okay, I will compute guys 500 times 1.414 equals 707 guys. 707 ha. 707. Okay. Now I will double check for this one. For this this one. Okay guys. A2 if this one is correct. 707 guys ha. I will double check guys ha if this one is correct. This one is short method. Okay. B2 C squared A squared is 500 squared plus B squared okay or 500. Okay guys, now I will calculate guys ha. Okay if this one is same as 707 ha, 500 squared plus 500 squared, did you see my calculator guys? Okay, equals square root of answer. See 707, it is me to say it is the same. Only this one is shortcut, and then I double check for the long method for the Pythagorean theorem. Okay guys, now you're not confused anymore because you know where is exactly derived or came from for the this one a value of 1.414, and then you can tell to your subordinates or even to your men that this one 1.414 came from this one. He derived from this one. Okay guys, that's it. And then before I will end my video guys, and then I will invite you guys to subscribe to my channel, Jeff E Vlogs Tutorial. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. Thank you very much, and assalamualaikum, and God bless.